Hi, I'm gonna do a review on the Undertaker Elite. This is the stand it came with. There's a little thing sticking up there if you can see. I'll show you later what that's for. This is a little cardboard thing with the name Undertaker on it. This is his hat, armband. This is his jacket. Yeah, I like the jacket. Sorry. This is the figure, the Undertaker. Those are the tattoos. They're really detailed. Now, sorry if this video is a bit dodgy, but yeah. Articulation, can move quite well in the head, move his arms quite well. He can bend in the stomach, move his knees, and he can also move the boots. Yeah, he's a really good figure. I recommend this to all you Undertaker fans out there. I'll show you what this is for. I'll show you what this is for now. You just put that cardboard thing there. And Undertaker has 2 holes there. Yeah, on each feet, and you just put it on one of the holes. So that's if you just want to stand him up. Yeah, so this is the Elite Undertaker. Mattel, the new ones. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Yeah.